Welcome to ChutneyPedia. When it comes to parties and special dinners, a side of a chutney is often on the main menu. So I'm just gonna jump straight to it and say that today's recipe for Cilantro Chutney is flavorful and melt in your mouth delicious. Cilantro is considered to be friend of a brain because it improves memory and helps manage anxiety. This flavorful recipe can be prepared in just few minutes, and by using with your main dishes, it will take them from ordinary to fantastic. So let's quickly make it. If you did enjoy this recipe, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe ChutneyPedia.